Hi, in this video we will see how to use div function in Tableau. So div function represents the division. So this name suggests in this function we will find out the division of the particular number. So to use this function, let's create one calculation field. Here, here I'll type the title and text below. So we can see here this function takes two input. First is integer and second also the integer. So basically, for example, if I write the function, first if I take the input as a 10, and second input is so this function returns the value. So basically, the here are two integer. First integer is a dividend, and second integer is a divisor. So also we can see here on the right side the definition of this function. So this function says it returns the integer part of the division. So let's just apply OK. Now take this div function, div field, drop it onto the row, and after that make it in discrete form. And now select average. So we can see here the answer is 5. So if I again go back to my field and look into the value that I have used, so I used 10 and 2. So basically, if we divide 10 by 2, the output is a 5. So this is how we can use the function. So instead of 10, if I use the 11, so if I again click on apply, so we can see here there is no change in the output. It is still showing me 5. So why? Because it is only showing the quotient of the uh, number, not the whole output. So it is basically, as we can see here on the right side, the definition also says itself it is only done the integer part. So basically it won't calculate the whole part. Not, so the output should be 5.5. So it won't calculate the whole the number, it is just showing the integer part. So basically the 5 answer. So if I use 12 instead of 11 and click on apply, it is showing 6. If I use 13, it will still show the output as a 6. So it is only showing the quotient of the particular number that we have used inside the function. So this is how we can use the div function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.